Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruijie RCNA class. I am Nick Xia. Today I want to introduce you our Ruijie operating system. Its name is RGOS. RGOS means Ruijie General Operating System. It has several advantages, including modular design, fault isolation, and transparent to the hardware platform. If you want to use our device by using command, you need a console line. The first thing you need to check your computer's COM number. You can check the device manager. Then the USB controller. You can find your console line the COM number. After that, you can collect the file. Quick connection, choose serial, and don't forget to change the rate to 9600 and unselect RTS. You can also use Telnet to the device, and we also support SSH. This is more secure to your network. We recommend all of the engineers run antivirus software in advance. When you go to customs office, don't forget to enable the recording function first. You can choose file, log session, and give it a name. Save. When we enter in the device, our Ruijie device has several models. The user configuration models. In this model, you can only do limited service. So normally we can enable to the execution model. In this model, you can check all device information. Then we can go to the configure terminal model. In this model, you can configure global parameters to the device. And we can also go to the interface model and configure the interface. If you want to configure IP management, you can follow this example. For the password configuration, for example, we can configure a password like this one. But when we check the running configuration, we can find that the password is clear. So I recommend you to enable the service password encryption. Now we try again. And we check the password again. We can find that the password has been encrypted. The interactive window function. You can choose View, Common Window. Then you can configure your command here, and it will influence all of the device you have logged. Show command is used to check the device information. Pipe symbol. This is very useful for you. For example, last time we checked the password, we will find that there are too many configurations. So we can try another way. Show run, including the password. Okay, this time we can just find the password quickly. This is very useful command for you. We can also use the show run. Begin with the first word of the command, exclude the command and include the keywords. Here are some show commands. I recommend you to try all of them one by one. For the device naming, we have some configuration for you. You can follow these rules. For example, you can configure the geographical location first, and then the network location, then the device model, and at last the device ID. Interface description. We can go to the interface model and then configure the description. Then it will help other engineers to know what is the interface connector. Configuration management. We can use write to save all of your configurations and use no command to cancel what you configured. And if you want to back up the configuration, you can use copy flash configure txt to flash configure back. Then you can restore it and use reload to restart the device. Time configuration. We should configure all of the device use the clock set to synchronize the time. If you have the clock server, you can also run the NTP protocol. SMP configuration is used to manage your network by using the management tool. Log application. Normally, when you save the logo, like use the log session, but if the device restart, the logo will be lost. Okay, so you can also run a size log server in your network and then use this command to synchronize our Ruijie device to your server. Network communication test. At the first course, we introduced the ping function. Today, we can see a more powerful ping function. You can use ping to the destination, then with the source interface, then with the times and the length of the packet. Trace route is to record the route of the packet. It will record every node. Okay. If you have any other question about our device, you can check our website, the support technical documents, and choose the switch, for example, access switch 2910. Then in the configuration guide, you can find the configuration guide of our device and also the command reference. Download it. For example, you can search login server in this course, then you will find it will explain all of the commands for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.